Hey Sam fam, welcome back to another DIY Tuesday. If you are new here, this is Sam and I create videos on almost everything. As you guys know, Holi is on the way, so today we are gonna make super easy and super affordable Bohemian jewelry for this festive season. Make sure to subscribe to stay in loop for upcoming Holi videos. I'm so excited for this. So yeah, let's just begin, shall we? Hey guys, hope you all got some jewelry inspiration from this video. Please give it a big like, comment, share and make sure to subscribe and hit that little bell icon to receive notification of more awesome upcoming Holi videos. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I should take a leave now until we meet on another Friday. AllahHafiz.